Hey guys, it's Miss Edmondson. I want to tell each and every single one of you that I love you and that I miss you. It has been such a hard 2 days not being able to see everybody. Yesterday we had a Google Hangout, and thank you to those 7 of you who joined. I loved being able to see all of your beautiful faces. If you have an opportunity, we are going to do some more of those, so have your parents make sure they're checking Class Dojo, and you check your Google Classroom so you can see when we're going to get on and we can talk. Few things, a few reminders. Don't forget that you need 5 lessons on Dreambox. I know we're having 20 minutes, at 20-minute intervals or 15-minute intervals. Guys, get on, get your 5 lessons in for a week. It's just like our normal morning routine. So you should know that you have your Lexia and your Dreambox you have to complete. Some of you are forgetting to go through and complete those IXL skills. So use that as a checklist, guys, on your must-dos. So check off as you get things done. I love hearing from all of you. I know I've had several parents call me. Several students have called me asking about their Dreambox times, which I love. Y'all call and talk to me. Shout out to our 2 students who are at the top on Dreambox lessons. We have Scarlett from my homeroom, who has 15 lessons so far this week. And then from Miss Hurtado's homeroom, awesome job, Austin, who has 28 lessons so far this week. And guys, we're only at Wednesday, and it's still early on Wednesday. Another thing is Class Dojo for parents and for students. Class Dojo is being a little crazy, so I am getting some of your messages. I'm not getting some of them. Feel free to call me. Most of you have my cell phone number. If not, just shoot me a message on Class Dojo. Well, I say that, but they're not coming through. Send me a message, and we'll try to get that phone number to you. A lot of you have it from the beginning of the year, and I've called several of you so far this week. If you haven't logged in, I'm calling you, making sure that you don't need help logging in. All of your login information, for those of you that don't know and haven't found it, it's in the class story on Class Dojo. So go to Class Dojo, check out all of the story pages. I'm posting everything that we're finding there, any new resources, so it doesn't get too overwhelming on Google Classroom. I think that is all I have for this morning. If you need me, call me. I love talking to you. And please join those hangouts so we can talk and just share something positive. I am going to tell you to get to work. I know I had 2 friends yesterday who hadn't done some work who jumped on, and I was like, guys, you got to do my work too. But join so we can have some fun and talk to one another. I love you all. Again, I miss you so much, and I can't wait until we're able to be together again. Bye, guys. Love you.